Well, hello everyone. What we have here is a 2012 Ford Escape. We got a tail light. I'll break this into two different videos. And we got broken rear glass hinges. So, we're going to start with this tail light because it's easy. I got these parts from Amazon. Relatively cheap. I think it was 40 bucks. There's the part number. TYC, that's going to be a aftermarket brand, which many body shops will use. It's a factory replacement. If you live in Manitoba like me, it would be MPI approved repair. It's a very, very common aftermarket brand. So it's a very simple job. Alright, this is going to be one of the probably easiest repairs ever. Two old plugs. Phillips screwdriver. For these two right there. And then it'll pop right off. See if I can do this with one hand. These don't look factory. I didn't know they use wood screws, Ford. Is that a thing? Usually there's like a washer head. Oh, beauty. Of course that's broken off. Ow! I love working on cars. Just twist these out, give her a half turn. Probably need to replace these bulbs. Usually when you lights get warm and then you get in an accident, the filament will blow up. They look intact, but it doesn't mean they aren't broke. These will have a dual filament, one for the running lights and then one for I don't know if you can see it. There's two filaments. One for when you press the brake pedal, one for the running lights. Huh. And installation is just as easy. And there you go. That is how you install a taillight on a Ford Escape. They actually made something pretty easy. Unlike headlights where you gotta take the bumper off and shit. Beauty. Beautiful. Oh, there's a short little video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Love you all.